Sorry, I'm just testing the lighting, just making sure it was okay. Hello. Good. No, I had the most unhealthy morning. I had Tim Tams and chips. And protein oats. I don't know.
What are protein oats?
It's like instant protein oats. Mum bought them from like Aldi's. I don't know what this is exactly.
Is it normal oats or is it like something else?
It's like dried oats, but then you put it like milk in it and stir it in. It's like instant oats. One spits, one doesn't. Is that not right? Is that correct?
I think that's correct. I don't know. Maybe more. There might be more differences than just that.
Yeah. It's got a good view of the map. Seeing it, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. The brightness is okay. This kid's great. This kid's fantastic.
Just everything about you is fantastic, isn't it?
Aww,
cute.
First vlog actually in a while. It was impromptu. We didn't really mean to come here, but we just ended up here. It's a beautiful place. It's like really nice being out here. It's like calming. I don't know. Like with exams and everything, and just like this entire semester, it's like crazy. Like there's always one thing to do, there's another thing that one weekend, and there's something else that next weekend. Most of it's like my doing, so I would keep planning to do things so I could keep that momentum going, but I don't think I've actually like, I don't know, just sat back and relaxed just a little bit, just, you know, do nothing, but like do something, but it's, I don't know, it's nothing though. I don't know. No, you just like tripped slightly, man. It's very nice.
Can you take still shots on the video mode?
No.
That's annoying.
But it's like capturing really. Like I have like a general idea. That's alright. It's good. Now I can actually get a nice shot of you. It's a nice, not crazy.
I'm all about facing your fears, but heights has been one of the more iffy things in my life.
Heights are a weird thing. I went to the Yarra sky deck a couple of weeks ago.
Oh yeah.
That was my first time ever going. Like that was pretty high. Like going up the elevator was like your ears pop because of the pressure.
Yeah.
It's so interesting.
Did you go out on